The 5S methodology is a Japanese business philosophy aimed at improving productivity and efficiency. It involves organizing and streamlining workplace operations through sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This ensures standards are maintained. Implementing 5S has many advantages, like reducing labor costs, enhancing safety, and improving productivity. Nevertheless, challenges may arise, such as securing organizational commitment, comprehending the process, and providing sufficient training and resources. Therefore, effective communication and teamwork are essential for successful implementation of the Kaizen 5's process. Another aspect that can optimize the system is technology integration. AI-driven analytics tools and machine learning can help identify inefficiencies and areas of improvement. Measuring progress is crucial, achieved through clear goals, performance tracking, stakeholder engagement, and feedback on results. By continuously improving and optimizing the 5S methodology, businesses can benefit from increased productivity, efficiency, and customer satisfaction.